Are you planning on a Workspace ONE or Horizon rollout? If so, this is the perfect time to create an end-user adoption strategy in order to have higher engagement. The Planner Wizard allows you to quickly and easily create a strategy to accelerate the adoption of Workspace ONE and Horizon in just a few clicks. Here's how. First, navigate to techzone.omnissa.com/adoption-wizard and select your planner. The Planner Wizard lets you create a complete end-user adoption strategy in 4 easy steps by customizing our default template. Let's set up our plan by choosing a title. For example, Workspace ONE End-User Adoption Campaign Timeline. Then, add the company logo and select the header and banner colors to match our organization's brand guidelines. We can include the Omnissa logo if we want. Now, we're ready to select all the activities in our planner. The planner is centered around 5 categories of activities, all of which must be completed to appear color-coded in the graphic representation of the final planner. We can view the example to see what this will look like once completed. We can see our 5 activity categories subdivided by colors and individual achievement goals. Now, we're ready to review and select our activities. These are separate drop-down menus for Plan, Communicate, Enable, Promote, and Support. Each process follows the same steps. Let's choose Plan as an example. Select the category and text color as they will appear in our final planner. Then, select the activities to include in our planner. There is a predefined list of activities for each category. Additionally, we are able to add custom activities by clicking on Other. If we move to Communicate, we'll see the same structure and we'll need to set the colors and select activities in the same way. It will be the same for other categories as well. Enable, Promote, and Support. Unlike other Wizard modules, we have the option to save our progress by clicking the Save Progress button. This generates a URL that enables us to resume working on our plan at a later time. Step 2. Step 2 sets the time frame for our adoption campaign. Omnissa research shows that most organizations take up to 3 months to prepare an end-user adoption campaign and roughly the same time to execute it. As such, the planner is designed for a maximum 6-month timeframe. We can choose the start date, which is the day we'll begin working in our campaign, or the go-live date, which is the day we'll begin executing our campaign. The other dates will auto-populate based on a 6-month best practice timeframe. All of these dates can be customized as well. Once the timeframe is set, Step 3 will auto-populate with the activities chosen earlier in Step 1. We can edit and modify each aspect of an activity and assign it to someone. The planner also provides a default description and links to resources, such as templates and best practices, all of which support specific tasks. We will need to assign custom activities to either the planning or the execution phase of the campaign. This will determine their position in the final planner, at which point you can save your progress again. In Step 4, you can finalize your plan once you've reviewed all activities. If you are happy with it, you can download an Excel file containing a graphic representation of the plan as well as a table detailing all of your activities. I hope you enjoy using the Adoption Kit Wizard. Don't forget to look at all other adoption kits and wizard modules to create more assets for your end-user adoption campaign, including enrollment guides, FAQs, and banners. If you have any questions or comments, please send them to useradoption@omnissa.com. Enhance the experience of your Workspace ONE and Horizon rollout with the Adoption Kits and Wizard tool.